Greetings, RC Model Geeks. And here we are.
In the shed.
Yeah, again. Day 3 of the Miles Hawk Major build from Value Planes. We haven't mentioned it's a Value Planes kit before. Out of China. And yeah, so we finished up this front section yesterday. Got some ply on there. Sanded it all back. All lovely jubbly, right? Nice.
Very. Look at that.
Yeah. Just got to do a little bit more sanding. Maybe just get rid of these overlaps here and here, here and there. But, you know, whenever, right? So that is that done. So we now move on to the rear section. And here it is. So this is all these stringers and stuff are pine again. 8mm pine. Yeah. So yeah, we've got it pinned down, and we've just been sanding some verticals there. Yeah, taking a little bit of time, innit? It's not the same as in pine, you know, a little bit harder than balsa. Yeah, but what we've done, we've got, because we've got two disc sanders, we've basically got one disc sander set up to do a 90-degree and one set up to do an angle. Right, because on here, all these tops are at 90 degrees and all the bottom joints are at an angle. So we can just go beep, 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 on the sander. Bob's your uncle. They nearly fit.
I like that.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing at the moment. I don't think we'll get much done today because you know, we're wood gluing this together. It's not slotted together, so you know, you've really got to wait for it to dry off. So we'll probably be doing one of them today and another one another day. We could build them on top of each other. We might do that yet, and then we could get both of them done. Or we might look at doing the formers that go over here. We could probably put some of those in.
Yeah, sounds a good idea.
We've got them all over there. Yeah, so we'll just have to we'll have to see how it goes.
Okay.
Well, we've been plodding along, haven't we, Colin?
Yeah.
Yeah, I taught Mad Colin how to chamfer bits of wood.
Yeah. Hey.
Right. So this is one of the rear sides, pretty much made, all glued together, super duper amazing. Yeah, looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks heavy, but it looks alright. Yeah, what more can I say, really? We've just got to let that dry off, you know, so we won't be doing another one of these today. Like I said, we could have built them on top, but we didn't. So we're going to work on something else. So we're going to carry on down to this section again and put the formers in here.
Yeah.
Bump, 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 and then we can also put the stringers probably down. Pardon me, down there, and sheet it. I don't know, maybe, who knows? But we'll have a go at least sticking the formers in. You're tired as well, mate. I know it's hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. So that's what we're going to do. We'll just see, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, productive day.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. So there is one side off the drawing board. All we've got to do now is make another one of those, and we'll basically build it over this one, so they're the same.
Yeah.
So that's all wonderful, right? We did a little bit more to this front section, so we got these formers in. They slotted in beautiful, didn't they?
Yeah.
It was like spot bollock. And then there was one thing we needed to add which is still a little bit gluey down there, but was awesome triangle that they wanted on the inside there to give it even more weight and strength.
Yeah.
You better fly this into a brick wall and it'll stay together.
Yeah. Serious.
Yeah. So is what it is, right? Yeah, we're done for the day, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, like, comment and subscribe. I can't think of anything else to say about it, really.
No.
Can you? We could just, well, I suppose actually we could weigh that back section. It's interesting just to see how much that weighs, isn't it, by itself? 100 grams. For that. Now you weighed this, didn't you?
Yeah, it was 933.
So let's put that on there. So we're up to just over 1 kilo so far for the fuselage. Yeah. So that'll be 130, won't it? For 2 sides. Plus whatever. Well, we'll keep weighing it. I'm sure we won't be surprised when it comes out at nearly 10 kilos.
Yeah.
But yeah, there you go. So, like, comment and subscribe. Until the next time, whenever that may be, Mad Colin.
Yes. Figure out.
Yes. So it's goodbye from old Mad Colin there, the cameraman.
And it's goodbye from
Sander.
Captain Rob and Sander. Definitely not Fluffer.
You're not a fluffer, mate.
Thanks.
Definitely not. He wouldn't fluff me any time. Right, catch you on the next video.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching Captain Rob's RC Model Geeks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click that like button. If you want to see more of the same type of videos, don't forget you can subscribe. If you want to support us, you can use PayPal, paypal.me/RC Model Geeks. If you want to contact us, you can email us rcmodelgeeks@gmail.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.